See, today we will start the general term of an AP. The general term of an AP is given by the formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, where AN is the nth term, that is the last term. Suppose you are having the AP as, mm, suppose you have 2, 4, 6, 8, so the till 50. So 50 is the last term. Now A is the first term, 2 is the first term. The common difference is D. Common difference is you have to take the second term minus first term. 4 minus 2 is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2, 8 minus 6 is 2. So this is the main formula for using the general term of an AP. Next question. Find the 20th, 50th, 25th and nth term of an AP given by the 2, 5, 8, 11. Means our AP is given as 2, 5, 8, 11 dash. So find the 20th term. For 20th term, you will write the formula for general term. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So 20th term means in the place of N, you will write 20. A20 is equal to, first term is A, that is 2, plus N minus 1 is 20 minus 1. D is 5 minus 2. The answer is 3. So this will become 2 plus 20 minus 1 is 19 into 3. 2 plus 57, that is 59. 19 threes are 57. The answer is 59. So 20th term is 59. Same way we have got the 50th term. 50th term will be A50 is equal to A plus 49D. So A50 will be, we have to find. So A is 2 plus 49 into 3. D is 3. The answer is 2 plus 9 threes are 27. 4 threes are 12, 13, 14, 147. The answer is 149. So 50th term is 149. Next you have got the 25th term. 25th term will be 25th term will be A25 is equal to A plus 24D. So that is A is first term. First term is 2 plus 24D is 24 brackets 3. This is plus 24 brackets 3. So this is 2 plus 4 3 is 12, plus 1 7. So that is, the answer is 74. So A 25th term is 74. I was asking you to find the nth term. So we will find the nth term. Nth term is given by AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So N is N only. So we'll write AN is equal to A is 2 plus N minus 1 into the D value is 2. So finally you will get 2 plus 2N minus 2 plus 2N minus 2 cancel. So the nth term is 2N. This is the nth term. So this is the way we will find. Next, the seventh term of an AP is 32. The solution start. Seventh term of an AP is 32 means seventh term means A7. So the answer is A7 is equal to 32 and the 13th term is 62 means A16 is 62. Sorry, A16, 13. A13th term is 62. Find the AP. So first we will get an equation from this. A7 is 32. For this we will get A plus 6D is equal to 32. For A13, we will get 62. So this will become A plus 12D is equal to 62. Now we can solve both of this by subtracting the equation 1 and 2. Subtracting equation 1 and 2, we can solve this. Cancel it out. 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6 will be 6 minus sign minus 60. So here also minus 62 minus 32 will become minus 30. So the D value will become minus 30 by minus 6. Minus into minus plus 6 ones are 6 5s are. So D is equal to 5. So when we get D is equal to 5, substitute in any of the equation 1 or 2. Therefore, if we consider equation 1, let us consider in equation 1. Therefore, A plus 6D is equal to A plus 6D is equal to 32. Therefore, A value we can find by using the 6 brackets 5 is equal to 32. So A plus 30 is equal to 32. Then A is equal to 32 minus 30. The answer is A is equal to 2. So when we get A is equal to 2, when we get D is equal to 5, we can create an AP easily. Find the AP. So last step is, this is your first step. This is your second step. This is second step solving. This is the first step from the given. This is the third step finding A. Fourth step is finding the AP. the AP forming an AP have the rule of finding A plus D. Use the formula A plus 2D, A plus 3D. Just you can take 4 terms. So A value is 2, A plus D, 2 plus 5, the answer is 7. A plus 2D, 2 plus 2 into 5, the answer is 2 plus 10, that is 12. Then A plus 3D, 2 plus 3 brackets 5, that is 2 plus 15, the answer is 17. So here we have created an AP. So the AP is, therefore, AP is 2, 7, 12, 17, dot, dot, dot. This is our final answer. Okay, next. We have got the next question. Find the 31st term of an AP. Find the 31st. Find the 31st term means you have to find A31 is equal to how much? Whose 11th term is 38? 11th term means A11 is 38 and 16th term is 73. So A16 is equal to 73. So this much only is given to us. So let us start. A11 is 38. Then A16 is 73. So from these two we will get two equations. A11 is A plus 10D is equal to 38. Then this is A16 is A plus 15D is equal to 73. Now we can cancel out A by subtracting the equation 1 and 2. Subtracting equation 1 and 2, change all the signs here. 10 minus 15, 15 minus 10 is 5D, minus sign, bigger number. 73 minus 38, 73 minus 38. Here you got a minus sign, here you got a plus sign. 5, here we'll get 5, 35, minus 35. So the answer is minus 35. Therefore, D is equal to minus 35 divided by minus 5, 5 ones are, 5 sevens are. Minus minus will become plus. Therefore, D value is 7. So when we get D value, we can get easily the A value also by substituting in this equation. Therefore, put D is equal to 7 in equation 1. So what we will get? A plus 10 bracket 7 is equal to 38. A plus 17 is equal to 38. A is equal to 38 minus 17. A is equal to 8 minus 7 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. So the first term is 21. So now we got the first term and we got the difference. So to find A31 we need A and D. A31 is equal to A plus 30D. So what is A value? 21 plus 30 bracket 7. So this is 21 plus 210. So we'll get 210 plus 21. The answer is 231. So this is 231. Try to do the working of simple steps in the working column so that you will not go wrong in the examination. So this is the next question. The sixth term of an AB is 5 times the first term. The sixth term is 5 times the first term. And the 11th term exceeds the fifth term by 3. See this statement, most of the students will go wrong. So what you do for the statement, whenever this exceed come, it's a shortcut I'm teaching. A11 minus what is given the fifth term, A5 is equal to 3. It means actually that A11 is 3 more than A5. So I am giving you the shortcut to remember this. A11 minus A5 is equal to A5 is equal to 3. Find the 8th term. So you have to find the 8th term. A8 is equal to how much? So this is the condition given to us now. Here we will get, first we have A6 is equal to 5 into A1. So A11 minus A5 is equal to 3. This is we have got. So from these two equations we can get D and D. D and A. Okay. So let us find now. A11 is A plus 10D minus, here it is given, exceeds twice the fifth term. Twice means 2 times A5. So that is how we got twice the fifth term. So A plus 10D is equal to no, minus, this is minus 2 brackets A plus 4D is equal to 3. Now simplify. A plus 10D minus 2A minus into plus minus 4 to the 8D is equal to 3. So what is A and 2A? Minus A and plus A will give me minus 2 and plus A will give me minus A, plus D and minus D will give me plus 2D is equal to 3. Now we can take the minus sign and keep it all positive. Either we can do if we want to simplify the further. Okay. So here we can write it as, we can keep this in positive terms. Okay. Dividing by minus sign, we will get a minus 2d is equal to minus 3. Dividing by minus sign means, or removing minus common means, where all the signs are there, all will get the change of sign. Minus will become plus, plus will become minus, plus will become minus. So dividing by minus sign means it is minus divided by minus will become plus, plus divided by minus will become minus. So this is how the sign changes. Now I can solve for a. A is equal to minus 3 plus 2d. Why I am solving for a means I can substitute this a value in equation 1. So I can put a is equal to minus 3 plus 2d in equation 1. So what will get? A6 is equal to 5 brackets minus 3 plus 2d. So here we have got a6 is equal to minus 15 plus 2d. What is a6? It is a plus 5d. A plus 5d is equal to minus 15 plus 2d. Now what is 5d and 2d? A plus 5d minus 2d is equal to minus 15. So we got the equation a plus 3d is equal to minus 15, or either we can solve this for a plus 3d is equal to minus 15. You can take this equation and you can solve for this equation. You name this as 2. Okay, and you name this as 3. You can solve this 2 and 3. We will get the values of a and d. So we can solve it here. Therefore, solving 2 and 3. So we'll get a minus 2d is equal to minus 3. A plus 3d is equal to minus 15. So we are going to subtract, change the sign, cancel. Minus 5d is equal to, this is plus 15 minus 3 will become plus 12. So we will get d is equal to 12 by 5 minus 5. 12 by minus 5. Just will here a6 is 11, a6 is 5, a1, a11 is a plus 10d minus 2 into a plus 4d is equal to 3. Solving, we will get minus a plus 2d is equal to minus a plus 2d is equal to 3. Then we will get a plus 3 is equal to 2d. I think we can solve it here only. A plus, okay, a is equal to minus 3 plus 2d. Then a is equal to 2d minus 3. Instead of that, I can put it here. Mm. Sixth term of an AP is 5 times A1. So we'll get A plus 5D is equal to 5A. Have we done anything wrong here? A6 is equal to A plus 5D is equal to minus 2D, A plus 3D. Okay, just we will repeat this. The sixth term is given as A6 is equal to 5 times A1, and the 11th term exceeds the 5th term by 3. 11th term exceeds the twice the 5th term by 3. So now A6 is equal to 5A1 means this will become A plus 5D is equal to 5A1, that is A or A1 first term, So a plus 5d is equal to 5a. So I can get this as, if I shift the a this side, that will become 5a minus a is equal to, this 5d remains as it is. So I will get 4a is equal to 5d. 4a is equal to 5d. Or I can substitute a is equal to 5d by 4 also. Just we will see how can we substitute 4a is equal to 5d. Now coming to this equation, I got a plus 10d is equal to 2 brackets a plus 4d is equal to 3. Then a plus 10d is equal to 2a plus 8d. This is minus sign. Minus sign, minus sign. This is equal to 3. So this will become a minus when you're opening the brackets. So 2a minus a will minus a, then plus 2d is equal to 3. So I can take this division of negative. So we'll get a minus 2d is equal to minus 3. Or if in fact a is equal to 2d minus 3. I can put this value of a in this equation 1. Put a is equal to 2d minus 3 in equation 1. What will get? 4 brackets 2d minus 3 is equal to 5d. So 8d minus 12 is equal to 5d. So I'll shift this and this side. I'll get 8d minus 5d is equal to 12. 3d is equal to 12. D is equal to 12 by 3. 3 ones are 3 fours are. So D is equal to 4. Then when I get D is equal to 4, can I substitute in the value of, put the D is equal to 4 in the value of 4A is equal to 5D. Therefore, put the value of D here. So 4A is equal to 5 into 4. So A is equal to 20 by 4. 4 ones are 4 fives are. So A is equal to 5. So A is equal to 5. Okay, this is, we have got that A is equal to 5 is okay. Then find the, he has given, what he has given, next question. Find the eighth term. So eighth term is A8 is equal to A plus 70. So A8 is equal to, A value we got it as 5 plus 70 is 7 brackets 4. The answer is 5 plus 28. So the answer of A8 is equal to 13, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 33. The answer is A8 is equal to 33. Okay. Next, the second, the second term, 29th term and the last term. The second, 29th and the last term of AP is 7, 3 by 4, 1. It is 7, 3 by 4. This is 7, 3 by 4. Fraction 7, 3 by 4, 1 and 6, 1 by 2, 6 and a half. Find the first term and the number of terms. So he is given second term is A2 is equal to 7, 3 by 4. That will become 7 4 is 28, 29, 30, 31 by 4. This become 31 by 4. And 29th term is A29 is equal to 1. Then last term AN is equal to 6 and a half. That is equal to 6 to the 12 plus 1, 13 by 2. So these are the terms we have got. Now we have been given, okay, find the first and the number of terms. Find the first term. First term means we have to find A. So when we want to find A, so from here we will get, we'll start. These are the only given items we have put. Now we'll start the solution. A29 is equal to 1. So A29 means it becomes A plus 28D. A plus 28D is equal to 1. But first term we have to find A plus 28D is equal to 1. Where you can take this as equation 1. Now we have got one more equation. One more equation we have got from here. A2 is equal to 7 3 by 4. So A2 is equal to 31 by 4. So I will get A2 is A plus D is equal to 31 by 4. So this is my second equation. Now I can solve both of these equations. Both of these equations. a plus 28d is equal to 1 and a plus d is equal to 31 by 4. So subtracting this, I will get 28 minus 1 will come 27d. So this is fraction 31 by 4. This will become a minus sign and this is a plus sign. The LCM is 4. This will become minus 31 plus 4. The answer will be minus 27 by 4. So minus 27 by 4. So D is equal to minus 27 by 4 divided by 27. So that will become D is equal to minus 27 by 4 into 1 by 27. This is 27 by 1, 1 by 27, 27 cancel. The answer of D is equal to minus 1 by 4. So we got the D value. After getting D value, we can put in any one of the equation. So I got this D value. So I can put it in equation. Therefore, put D is equal to minus 1 by 4 in equation 2. I'll name this as equation. This is this is 2 already. We have got 31 by 4 as 2. Okay. This is 2. So write the equation. A plus D is equal to 31 by 4. Then A minus 1 by 4 is equal to 31 by 4. A is equal to 31 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 will shift the side. So A is equal to LCM is 4, 31 plus 1 will become 32 by 4. 4 ones are 4 eights are. So the value of A is equal to 8. So A is 8 and D is minus 1 by 4. So when A is 8 and D is minus 1 by 4, he has also asked to find the first term and the number of terms. We have to find the number of terms. First term we got it as A is equal to 8. So number of terms we have to find means we have to take the AN, number of terms. How we'll find AN? AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into B. The last term is given in the question. Last term is given as minus 6 1 by 2. So we will take this last term is given in the question minus 6 1 by 2 is equal to A value is 8 plus N minus 1 into D value is minus 1 by 4. So shift the 6 to the 12 plus 1 13 by 4 minus 13 by 2. 6 to the 12 plus 1 13 by 2. Then this 8 will come this side minus 8 by 1 is equal to n by n minus 1 into minus 1 by 4. Now you take the LCM of this. If you take the LCM of this, what you'll get here? LCM is 2. So we'll get minus 13 minus 16 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 1 by 4. So 16 minus 13 will become minus, this is minus 29 by 2 is equal to n minus 1. This 1 by 4 comes down, this minus 1 by 4, this will come down in the denominator. So minus 29 by 2 divided by minus 1 by 4 is equal to n minus 1. So this will become again minus 29 by 2 into 4 by 1. Minus 4 by 1 is equal to n minus 1. 2 ones are 2 twos are minus into minus plus. So we'll get the answer. So we'll get the answer minus into minus plus 9 to the 18, 2 to the 4 plus 1, 58 is equal to n minus 1. So minus 1 will come this side. 58 plus 1 is equal to n. Therefore, n is equal to 59. So the value of n is equal to 59. So this is the procedure. Next. Which term of the AP is 248? Which term of the AP is 248? Means we have to find n. N is the number of term. First term is 3, second term is 8, third term is 13, fourth term is 18, last term is 248. So we have to find which term is this. This is which place the term is. So we have to find this. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So what is AN? AN is 248. Last term is, first term is 3 plus N minus 1 into D. What is D? 8 minus 3. The answer is 5. So D is 5. So 248, shift the 3 this side, it will become minus 3 is equal to n minus 1 into 5. So 248 minus 3 will become 245 is equal to n minus 1 into 5. Bring this 5 down. So we will get the answer 245 by 5 is equal to n minus 1. 5, 5 fours are 20, 5 nines are 45. 49 is equal to n minus 1. Bring the 1 this side. N is equal to 49 plus 1. Therefore, n is equal to 50. So 248 is in the 50th place. So 50th place it is. So n is equal to 50. So an is equal to 50. 50th term, that is 50th term. First term is 3, second term is 8. 50th, 50, A50 term is 248. Next, how many terms are there in the AP? Minus 36. This is the AP given. How many terms means n you have to find. So this is your A. D is equal to 3 minus 6. The answer is minus 3. So now this is your AN. So put the formula. AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So we get here AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. AN is minus 36 is equal to 6 plus n minus 1 into D value is minus 3. Shift the 6 this side. Minus 36 minus 6 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. 36 minus 6 is minus 42 is equal to n minus 1. That minus 3 will come down here. Minus 3 minus minus plus 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. Therefore, 14 is equal to n minus 1. 14 plus 1. Shift the 1 this side. 14 plus 1 is equal to n. N is equal to 15. So how many terms are there? N is equal to 15. Next you have got for what values of n, for what values of n the following APs are equal. So we have got two APs here. So for what value of n the following APs are equal. So first AP we will take this as this is first, this as second. Okay. Now for here, for this first one, A is equal to 23, D is equal to 25 minus 23. The answer is 2. For this one, first term is minus 17. D value is minus 10 minus of minus 17. That is minus 10 plus 17. The answer is plus 7. So now we got this as, we have to find AN. We have to find AN. So what is AN? AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. How we have to find AN means, for what values of n the nth term of the following APs are equal. Means nth term means AN. Some value, some term is there. AN of this and AN of this are equal. So which is that? AN is equal to AN. We will equate. So AN is given, we're not given. AN is equal to 23 plus n minus 1 into 2. 23 plus n minus 1 into 2. Now you take this. AN is equal to 23 plus 2n minus 2. 2 into n, 2n, 2 ones are 2, plus into minus minus. So AN is equal to 23 minus 2 is 21 plus 2n. So this is one equation. Then second equation will be here again. AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here AN is equal to A value is minus 17 plus n minus 1 into 7. So this is minus 17 plus 7 and minus 7. Minus 17 minus 7 will become minus 24 plus 7n. So this is my AN. So this he is telling in the question both the ANs are equal. So what we are going to do when we equate both the ANs. So 21 plus 2n is equal to minus 24 plus 7n. Shift the n terms and numbers to one side. So here we'll shift this 24 this side, 2n this side. So 21 plus 24 is equal to 7n minus 2n. So 45 is equal to 5n. N is equal to 45 by 5. 5 ones are 5 nines are. Therefore, n is equal to 9. So n is equal to 9 means you have got here in this place first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term, seventh term. Here one seventh term is there, here one seventh term is there. Both will be equal. Therefore, in the place of n, the an terms are, the terms in the APs are equal. So we have to find n is equal to 9. Next, find the 20th term from the last term of the AP. 20th term from the last term means AP is given from last. 253 is the last term. Previous term will be what? Previous term will be what, like that. If from last, this is the first term, second, third, fourth, fifth. 20th term from here you have to find. So for that, the formula is, first we have got the last term. We will write L is equal to 253. D is always taken as the difference, 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3, the answer is 5. So to find the 28th term from end, from the last, from end, the formula is L minus n minus 1 into D. L is what? 253 minus of n minus 1. We have to find that n minus, n is a 20th term. 20th term means n. This is term, when we get the term word, that is n. So n is 20 minus 1 into D value is 5. So this is 253. 20 minus 1 is 19. 19 into 5 is 95. This is minus 95. So 253 minus 95 will give me 158. 253 minus 95. This will become 84. Okay, 158. So this is a 20th term from the end is 158. Next, split the 69. Split 69 into three parts such that they are in the AP. So we have to consider the three parts of AP. That is, we know that we will take A minus D, A plus D. These are the three parts of the AP. When they are in AP, we will consider the three terms as like this. So is some of these three parts. He's telling 69 is divided into three parts. This plus this plus this. So consider these three. So you'll take A minus D plus A plus D is equal to 69. So this and this will get cancelled. 3A is equal to 69. A is equal to 69 by 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are 3 threes are 6. So A is equal to 23. When A is equal to 23, we can substitute in any of the equation as A. But before that, we have to see product of two smaller parts is 483. Two smaller parts means among this is the first, second, third. Two smaller means it will become A minus D into A is equal to 483. Now A value is 23. Put A value is here. A minus D into 23 is equal to 483. So here we also get 23. Here also we can put 23. A value is 23. Okay. 23 minus D is equal to 483 by 23. So this 23 comes down. 23 and 483 will go 21 times. So 23 minus D is equal to 21. Shift the 21 this side. 23 minus 21 is equal to D. Therefore, 23 minus 1 is 2 is equal to D. So you get the answer as, therefore, D is equal to 2. When D is equal to 2, what is the question? We have split 69 into 3 parts such that they are in AP and the product of two smaller parts is 483. So the 3 parts will be, we have to write the 3 parts here. 3 parts will be A minus D, A plus D. So what is A? 23 minus 2, the answer is 21. A value is 23, A plus D is 23 plus 2, that is 25. So 3 parts are 21, 23, 25. Add up and see 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So sum we are going to get 39. So the 3 parts are like this. Next, find 4 numbers in AP whose sum is 20. 4 numbers, when they will give 4 numbers, you have to take like this: A minus 3D, then this is A minus D, and this is A plus D, and this is A plus 3D. We have to take these 4 numbers. When they are telling 4 numbers are in AP means you have to consider the 4 terms like this. That is equal to whose sum is 20. whose sum is 20. So sum means you have to put plus in between all of this. You'll get 20. So a minus 3d plus a minus d plus a plus d plus a plus 3d is equal to 20. So minus d plus d cancel. Minus 3d plus d cancel. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 a's are there. 1a, 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 1a. So 4a is equal to 20. A is equal to 20 by 4, 4 ones are 4 fives are. Therefore, A is equal to 5. When A is equal to 5, you can get the values of and whose sum of their squares, whose sum is 20 and sum of their squares is 180. Sum of their squares is 180 means we have to take their sum, the squares. Okay, so what we will do now, we will square all of this. We will get A minus, this is the first part, this is the second part. A minus 3d whole square, sum of their squares, sum of the squares, a minus d the whole square plus a plus d the whole square plus a plus 3d the whole square is equal to, question given is 190, 180, 180. So a value we know, put the a value here, 5 minus 3d whole square plus 5 minus d whole square plus 5 plus d whole square plus 5 plus 3d whole square is equal to 180. Now you have to split it up, expand. Expand using the formulas. Here we got a minus d whole square means this square minus 2ab. So we know the formula of a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So both the squares minus 2 and this we will. There is shortcuts to apply the formulas. You can do however. Okay. Now what I will do here, I will take this 5 square plus 3d whole square minus 2ab. Then this one 5 minus d whole square. This is a plus sign. Here I've got a plus sign. A minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Same way this one. 5 square plus d square plus 2ab. Same way this also, plus a square plus b square plus 2ab is, we are considering, is equal to 180. Next, which all we can cancel? Minus 2, 5 into 3d is there, plus 2, 5 into 3d is there. Cancel. Then you have minus 2, 5 into d plus 2, 5 into d. This will get cancelled. Now you are having anything else you are having here? No, we are having 5 square, 5 square. So we are having 5 square, 5 square, 5 square, 5 square. So all these 5 squares we are going to add it up. So we will get the answer. 5 square is 25 plus 3 threes are 9d square. Then plus 5 square is 25 plus d square. D square plus 5 square is 25 plus d square. 25 plus 9d square. 3d square is 9d square is equal to 180. So now you got 25, 25, 25, 25. This will become 100. So 100 plus 9, all are d squares. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 11 plus 9, 20. So we'll get 20d square is equal to 180. Therefore, 20d square is equal to 180 minus 100. So 20d square is equal to 80. Therefore, d square is equal to 80 by 20. 2 ones are 2 fours are 0 0 cancel, or 20 ones are 24 are 80. D square is equal to 4. D is equal to plus or minus root 4. So D is equal to plus or minus 2. So D value is plus or minus 2. So now we have to take both the values, and we have to show that how we are getting the AP. The numbers are we got the numbers as A minus 3D when D is equal to plus 2 and D is equal to minus 2. A is minus 3D, then A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. A value is, we got the A value previously, we got it as 5. So we'll write here 5 minus 3 into 2. That is 5 minus 6. The answer is minus 1. This is 5 minus 2. The answer is 3. This is 5 plus 2. The answer is 7. This is 5 plus 3 brackets 2. The answer is 5 plus 6, 11. So if you put D minus 2, again you write the APs A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, then A plus 3D. So if I take D minus 2, I will get A value we know 5. 5 minus 3 brackets minus 2. That will become 5 plus 6. The answer is 11. Then 5 minus 2. If I am putting a D value minus 2, minus of minus 2. So this will become minus of minus 2. A plus D. A plus D, A value is 5, D value is minus 2. The answer is 3. A plus 3D, 5 plus 3 into minus 2. The answer is 5 minus 6. The answer is minus 1. You see, minus 1, 3, 7, 11. Minus 1, 3, 7, 11. So the reverse will be when you take the plus 2 and minus 2, the answers will be reverse. Next question. First, find the first negative term of this. So the numbers are reducing 129, 120, 111, 102. It goes on reducing. We will get one negative term. So that should be less than 0. When the negative term is asked, it should be considered as less than 0. So what are we going to do? We are going to take that an is less than 0. So let the nth term be negative. So an is less than 0. So what is my first term? First term is a. D is 120 minus 129. The answer is minus 9. Okay. So we will substitute in an value. An is a plus n minus 1 into d. That should be less than 0. A is 129 plus n minus 1. We don't know n, no. N minus 1 into d value is minus 9. So put minus 9 less than 0. 129 plus into minus 9 into n is 9. Plus into minus minus into minus plus 9 less than 0. So 129 plus 9 will become 138 minus 9n less than 0. So we'll shift the 9n this side. So 138 is less than 9n. Bring the 9 down. 138 by 9 is less than n. So if we cancel, we will get 9 ones are 9. Let us divide here. 138 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9. 48. 9 fives are 45. 30. Put point and take 0. 9 threes are 27. You will get recurring 15.3. So 15.3 is less than n. So n is less than n value. 15.3 is obviously less than n, means n should be greater than 15.3. So greater than 15.3 means I can take the nearing number which is greater, that is 16. So therefore here this relation 15.3 is less than 19. So n is greater than 15.3. If I take, for example, if I read the value as 3 is less than n, means n is greater than 3. So here n is greater than 15.3. So the next number will be 16. Therefore n is equal to 16. So 16th term will be the negative term. So if you want to check, you can check by substituting 16th term. So 16th term you can calculate by verification we will do. 16th term will be a plus 15d. A plus 15d means a will be 129 plus 15 into minus 9. So this will be 129 plus into minus 9 is 9 5s are 45, 9 1s are 9, 13, 135. So we will get 30 minus 6. So the negative term is minus 6. So we got this. This is our correct answer. So n is equal to 6. Okay.